Getting Started Word 2010. In this chapter, we will discuss how to get started with Word 2010. We will understand how to start a Word 2010 application in simple steps. Assuming you have Microsoft Office 2010 installed in your PC, to start the Word application, follows these steps. Step 1. Click the Start button. Start button. Step 2. Click the All Apps option from the menu. All Apps. Step 3. Search for Microsoft Office from the submenu and click it. Microsoft Office. Step 4. Search for Microsoft Word 2010 from the submenu and click it. Microsoft Word 2010. This will launch the Microsoft Word 2010 application and you will see the following window. Explore window in Word 2010. In this chapter, we will understand how to explore window in Word 2010. Following is the basic window which you get when you start the Word application. Let us understand the various important parts of this window. Quick Access Toolbar, Title Bar, Ruler, File tab, Ribbon, Help, View buttons, Zoom Control, Status Bar, Document Area, File tab. The File tab replaces the Office button from Word 2007. You can click it to check the Backstage view. This is where you come when you need to open or save files, create new documents, print a document, and do other file-related operations. Quick Access Toolbar. This you will find just above the File tab. This is a convenient resting place for the most frequently used commands in Word. You can customize this toolbar based on your comfort. Ribbon. Ribbon contains commands organized in 3 components. Tabs. These appear across the top of the ribbon and contain groups of related commands. Home, Insert, Page Layout is examples of ribbon tabs. Groups. They organize related commands. Each group name appears below the group on the ribbon. For example, group of commands related to fonts or group of commands related to alignment, etc. Commands appear within each group as mentioned above. Title bar. This lies in the middle and at the top of the window. Title bar shows the program and document titles. Rulers. Word has 2 rulers, a horizontal ruler and a vertical ruler. The horizontal ruler appears just beneath the ribbon and is used to set margins and tab stops. The vertical ruler appears on the left edge of the Word window and is used to gauge the vertical position of elements on the page. Help. The help icon can be used to get Word-related help anytime you like. This provides nice tutorial on various subjects related to Word. Zoom control. Zoom control lets you zoom in for a closer look at your text. The zoom control consists of a slider that you can slide left or right to zoom in or out. You can click the end buttons to increase or decrease the zoom factor. View buttons. The group of 5 buttons located to the left of the zoom control, near the bottom of the screen, lets you switch through the Word's various document views. Print layout view. This displays pages exactly as they will appear when printed. Full screen reading view. This gives a full screen view of the document. Web layout view. This shows how a document